Have you ever heard this from your partner? Why do I have to do everything around here? Or have you ever said she wears the pants in the relationship? Gentlemen, there's a reason you may be experiencing some discord in the relationship. And today, gentlemen, we're talking about weaponized incompetence, the truth behind it, what it's costing you, and what to do about it. Let's go. Good day, gentlemen. Welcome to the Remarkable Man Project. I'm so glad you're here. And today, gentlemen, this is a deep dive into a challenge that so many men are experiencing, and also so many women are experiencing. And it is all around the idea of weaponized incompetence. But what the hell is weaponized incompetence? Well, it's essentially you pretending to be incapable of doing a task so that you're actually avoiding responsibility. That's right. That's the truth. You want to stay to the end because I've got some nuggets here that can help you alleviate this challenge and step into your true, authentic masculine power to be her champion and be the role model in your relationship and in your family. It matters, brothers. If you're brand new to the channel, welcome to the Remarkable Man Project. Hit the subscribe button, share, like, and comment. We would love to hear your thoughts and feedback because here at the Remarkable Man Project, we're here to elevate your game to the 2.0 level of who you are meant to be, the remarkable man within. We're here to give you the leadership, the tools, the resources you need to level up your game and live the remarkable life you desire. So let's look at weaponized incompetence. And you may have experienced this for most of your life, but it's unconscious. You don't even know you're doing it. And that's the reality, is that most men are doing this on an unconscious level because it is a program from childhood. It's around the idea of you not feeling that you are good enough, but it's a subconscious escape route to get out of doing things. And it might be cooking. Well, she's doing all the cooking. And you're like, wow, you know what? I suck at that. I just suck at cooking. You're so much better than I am. But have you really tried? Have you ever took a cooking lesson? Have you ever scrolled online and looked at a recipe and went, you know what? I'm going to handle this. I'm going to get this right. And you do it until you do get it right instead of passing it off. I love to cook. That didn't come naturally. I just knew that if I wanted to make the things that I enjoy, then I'm going to do it, but I'm going to do it to perfection. And now I love to cook. It's my jam. It's something that I truly want to be able to give in that way. And brothers, women find it incredibly sexy when their man knows his way around the kitchen. And yeah, that includes the barbecue. But if you can expand beyond the grilling, that really allows her to lean in. When she's watching you make dinner or even as simple as a sandwich, when you're master of it, it's super sexy. But this goes deeper than this. It's around even like doing the laundry. You know, oh, I don't know how to do the laundry. I've never been able to do the laundry right. I don't know how to separate the darks and the lights. I don't know how to put the fabric softener in. Bullshit. It's truly bullshit that you are so incompetent that you can't do that task or any of the tasks. And as I said in the preamble, that when you are saying that she's better at it than you are, what the fuck is that all about? Because all you're doing is reverting back to a little boy within. And that creates so much disconnect. It's like you're acting clueless about perhaps even planning the family vacation. You just allow her to do all of it. Oh, she's better at that. She's really analytical. She's a great planner. She's, soup to nuts. I just give her the credit card and away she goes. That might be great. That might be a wonderful aspect that you can farm that out, to her. And she might even go, oh, I just love doing the planning. But when you are forcing her to do that planning without any engagement from you whatsoever, you're creating a resentment wave. You might be resentful for the vacation unrolling. Well, I didn't plan this, or this is not something that I like to do. Well, where did you give input? Where did you say, hey, I want to take care of this, take care of this? Because you are putting her fully into her masculine frame when you offload your responsibility to her 100%. And what it does is it puts you into your feminine frame and the little boy within. And it might be fiending your incompetence around being a parent, where you are making her the boss of the kids instead of you being the one that is laying down the law. You've got to both get on board with how you are parenting, because it's about co-parenting. You cannot just say, hey, I'm the breadwinner here. You are the child raiser here. Bullshit. You are to be the hero to your children. You've got to engage. You cannot sit back and expect her to be the one to take care of it. No. And I'm talking from day one. So stop acting clueless. Stop acting like you don't have any awareness or knowledge, and stop feigning incompetence, because it's not true. It's just a story that you got used to. And when you start doing this, this is how you are weaponizing your incompetence to get out of a situation or get out of a task. I don't know. That's not the voice of a remarkable man. It's not. So why do people do this? Not just men. I'm not just here to throw you men under the bus here, but you see this so often that men are the ones going, you're just better at it, and expecting her to pick up the slack and get her done. But what is this? Is it intentional or is it subconscious? Well, in most cases, brother, it is a subconscious program, and you are picking this up from a childhood wound. It's typically a mother issue. That mother was perhaps a helicopter mom, and she just took care of everything. And this is how you are now moving through your life and expecting others to take care of you. How's that land? There may be a fear of failure. If you were to do something outside of your comfort zone, that you feel that you're going to fall flat, or you're going to mess it up or screw up, or the last time you did it, it was just a shit show. And if you fiend that you are weak in this area, well, perhaps you'll never have to do it again. And the other one might be, in today's gender neutral climate that we're in, that a lot of men are going, well, hey, she's an empowered woman. She should be able to do it. Let's watch her sit there and stew or get frustrated. And for some men, it is a very welcome sport that we're dealing with. She can open her own door. She can take care of herself. She is an empowered woman. And now a lot of men are taking the foot off the gas in regards to chivalry. However, if you are in a relationship, brother, never take the foot off the gas when it comes to leaning in and giving to the relationship from the place of a remarkable man, and seeing her as the queen that she is when she's in her divine feminine. And remember, gentlemen, I talk about this a lot, that you being in your masculine frame is the catalyst for her to be in her feminine. So if you're not feeling her feminine vibration, it's because she's stuck in her masculine because she fears she has to be. And a lot of that can come from your level of incompetence that she feels. She doesn't feel safe. She doesn't feel secure. So she's going to step up and take the lead in these areas. And this is where these men will all go, well,
happy wife, happy life. And she wears the pants.
I never want you to ever say that again.
Nope, she wears the pants in the family.
Bullshit. She is not doing it because she wants to. She does not want to wear the pants. She is aching for you to step up your game and wear the fucking pants. God. Ugh. So, brothers, this does have a devastating impact on relationships because it creates emotional exhaustion. It really does. It creates this environment that leads to resentment, contempt, and emotional distancing. If you can't handle doing the laundry, or you can't handle doing the dishes at a pro level, what the fuck? You've got to step in and truly claim your masculinity and just, I got this, babe. I got this. Fail a few times, but don't put that on her. This can be why a lot of women are leaving good men. Yes, you're a good man, but you're not taking the lead in a lot of areas. You are outsourcing to her. And that's not fair, especially when in your heart of hearts, you can handle it. And it's simple. Do your fucking laundry. Pick up your underwear and your socks. You're not a little boy. Look at all the areas in your life where you are not showing up as the mature, remarkable man that you are. Where does the little boy within show up? Are you gaming all the time? Little boy. Is your workspace, your home space, your hobby space, whatever it is it cluttered? Is it a mess? Little boy. Do you see things around the house that don't belong where they are? It's called take a sec. Just pick it up and put it where it's supposed to be. Take a leadership role. The danger here is if you're not doing it, you're turning your partner, your beloved, into a parent. And when she's a parent, she is seeing the little boy within. And it's incredibly difficult for her to ever see the man once she's seen the little boy. It's ick. And you wonder why there's no sexual tension. How can there be when she is the parent and you want to have sex with this person and she's just, ooh, you can be an Adonis and you wonder why she's not attracted to you. It's not physical anymore. There's something going on with you that has repulsed her. And this usually is from the fact that you've weaponized your incompetence. So how do you fix it? All right. Well, one, it's self-awareness. It's you just going, oh, wow. Dwayne, you nailed it. That's me. And that's how I show up sometimes. I have certainly outsourced a lot of my responsibility to her. She's taken it on. And now I get to see why there's tension there. And I'm not being a champion to her. I'm not being a hero to my children. I'm not the remarkable man in my household. You claim it, just take ownership of it, and you can express that to her. This is the other piece is communication. Babe, I know I've dropped the ball, and I am really wanting to step up my game and help around the house and do a few things. Yes, you may have an agreement where she's a stay-at-home mom and she's looking after the house, doing a thing, and you're doing your thing out there, crushing it, making it rain, doing the things that you need to do as a warrior, as a champion. However, there's still you being you. When you come home, take that same leadership energy into everything you do. This is not your time to go, well, fuck, I could just, honey, get me a sandwich and bring me a beer while I game, while I take my socks off and throw them on the couch. Well, they don't belong there. You know that your dirty underwear doesn't belong on the floor. I mean, it's take a sec. Just look around your life and go, yeah, I got to clean that up. I'm responsible for that. I don't need to dump more of that on to her. Now, this does not give her an excuse to take the foot off the gas either. Remember, I'm not throwing you under the bus here. It's just you taking responsibility. And the last piece about how to fix this is having that team mindset, viewing the relationship as a partnership where both of you are contributing to your responsibilities as equals. Remember, it's not the parent, it's not the little boy. And you can also feel this too if it's flipped around. If you are the parent and she's the little girl, and you are doing everything for her and accepting her laziness as just the way she is, just to keep the peace. That's bullshit too. You don't want to fall in that trap. I want to wrap up here with a call to action. Really get clear with where you're at in your level of incompetence. Really check in with it. Is it true? Is this a story? Is this an unconscious program from your hovering mother that did everything for you? Where can you step up and go, I want to learn this, or I want to do this better? And no, this is not about arguing about dishes being misplaced in the dishwasher. You're out by a couple millimeters and it's wrong. Do the fucking work around the house. Take care of it as a team. But I want you to really get clear with your truth. Am I truly weaponizing incompetence? And am I getting away with it based on an unconscious program, or I'm doing this fully aware, fully awake, so that I can get away with shit? I don't need to do this sort of thing. Yeah, get really clear with that. What I want you to do, brother, is I want you to drop a comment. Does this land for you? Have you done this? What is the biggest relationship challenge that you're going through right now? Let's get a conversation going. Of course, I want you to like and subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm dropping videos multiple times a week. This is your place for leadership and empowerment. Gentlemen, you know that we are in a crazy clown show, upside down, woke agenda world. What this world is desperate for right now is authentic masculine leadership. And here at the Remarkable Man Project, we know that now more than ever, this world needs remarkable men. My question to you is, will you be one of them? If you want to step up your game and you want to work one-on-one, click the link in the description to book your breakthrough discovery call. Let's have a powerful conversation about where you want your next breakthrough, and we can explore it for a fit to work together. And join the Remarkable Man Project school community, your place for brotherhood and connection and camaraderie, and your place for resources, tools that you can use to up-level your game. And finally, if you haven't already, get your copy of the groundbreaking book, The Remarkable Man, Champions to Women, Heroes to Children, and Brothers to Each Other. It's a game changer and a catalyst that started this movement. And if you want to explore a little bit more on this topic and others, click this video and watch it next. Gentlemen, enjoy the rest of your day. And remember, you're not alone on the journey. At the Remarkable Man Project, we've got your back. Cheers.